Hi everyone, so this video is on describing a rotation. Okay, so in my last video I showed you how to draw a rotation, okay, and you were told 3 pieces of information, and that's what you need to put on the answers when you're describing it, okay. It's not going to tell you it's a rotation first of all, so you've got to figure that part out, okay. This is a nice clue to you on what it's going to be, okay. When there are 2 shapes and one has turned, that is going to be the rotation, okay? If it's a reflection of it, if it's a mirror image of the shape, it's obviously going to be a reflection and so on, okay? But in this case, we're looking at rotations. So you get 1 mark for writing that it's a rotation, okay? So that's the first thing you need to state. The second thing, so you need to now label other things as well. So you need to say how far it's turned. So I can already see that that has turned 90 degrees, hasn't it? Okay, that's just common sense. So it's turned 90 degrees and it's gone that direction. Okay, so it's turned that way. So it's gone anti-clockwise. Okay, so that's the easy part. So don't just not write anything. Make sure you write those things down first of all. Okay, now the third thing is to say where our center of rotation is. Okay, so you're going to use your tracing paper for this, or your baking paper like I have. Okay, and all you need to do, so on this, you can trace the whole shape if you want to. Okay, but I'm only going to trace the 2 sides here. Oh, I only need to do one of them as well, silly me. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to have a guess at where I think the center of rotation is going to be. So I'm going to guess here, so that I can see that through my graph paper that is a point there. So if I put my pencil on there and I turn my tracing paper, is that going to land on the shape? No, it isn't. It's too high, isn't it? Okay, so let's put it back. Okay, so let's put the point lower down. So I'm going to go for -1, 0. Okay, so let's turn it now. Oh, it's still not quite right, is it? Okay, it's not far off though. Okay, so let's put it back. You'll be better than this at me, I imagine. Okay, right, I'm going right bang in the middle this time. And let's turn. There we go. And can you see it's landed on it perfectly? Okay, so I know now that my center of rotation is 0, 0. So I'd write center of rotation 0, 0. Okay, so let's have a look at another one. If you're not sure about the center of rotation, remember those other 2 parts that I wrote down first of all are going to give you 2 of the 3 marks. Okay, so make sure you write those bits down because that's the easy bit. Okay, so 1, I can see that this shape has been rotated, so it's a rotation. Okay, right, I need to know how far it's turned and the direction it's gone. Okay, so it's gone from that way to that way, so it's going this way. It's turned 90 degrees and this time it's clockwise. Okay, so 2 marks already for that. Now I've just got to find my center of rotation. So let's see, shall we go for, let's go with these sides here. Okay, so let's try 4, 0. Okay, let's turn it. Nope. Okay, that's too far to the right. Okay, so let's try 1, 0. Ooh, not far off. Is it going to be 0, 0 again? Let's try. Oh, it totally is. Okay, it's not always going to be 0, 0. Okay, but that one is 0, 0 again. Okay, so then I would put my last point. So center of rotation 0, 0. Okay, so you have a go and see if you can describe some rotations.